In this video, I'm going to tell you about powered numbers. First, let's look at an example. The first powered numbers are 175, 518, 598, 746, etc. Well, let's start with 175. Well, 175 is also known as 1 to the power 1 plus 7 to the power 2 plus 5 to the power 3. Well, 5 cubed is 125 and 7 squared is 49. Here, there's a factorization using 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here, where 7 squared is 49 and 5 cubed is 125. Now let's check 518. 5 to the power 1 plus 1 to the power 2 plus 8 to the power 3, or you can raise any power to 1, is equal to 518. Where 8 cubed is 512. And if you extract this 5, if you extract this 1 into a 9, this will become 598. And there's an unbelievable factorization of 746, and that is 1 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 6, because 746's digits are raised to the powers of 7, 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, where 3 to the power 6 is equal to 729. If you want to give some examples like this, the powered numbers are mostly of the times like this. Well, 518 is a multiple of 37 and a powered number. Do you know what is this thing? Where 518 is the sum of its first digit raised to the first power, the sum of its second digit raised to the second power, and its third digit raised to the eighth power. Also, there's a known powered number, 89. It is the sum of its first digit and its second digit squared. 8 plus 9 squared. See how this happened like this? Well, let us check the series from 501 to 600, but only the numbers ending with an 8. Well, 508, 518, 528. Well, let me write it quickly so that let me write it in a quick time lapse so that I can save time. 5, 8. Hey, how come this comma became a number 1? See. But only cut. Only 518 and 598 are the only powered numbers. Because the 746 thingy has a factorization which is mostly converted into 1, 2 and 3. Well, if you do this 1, 7 and 5. Well, let's use 1 to the power. Well, this is a nice factorization that I'm using here. 1 to the power 1 plus 7 to the power 2, and this equals 175. But why are we using 1, 2, 3 for the number 746? Well, this is a special way of making 746 as an integer. 2 to the power 4 is 16, and any power raised to the number 1 is just 1. So this is just a thing. Hey, if you raise any power to 1, the answer will be simply 1. Then if you check this, 1 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 6 is equal to is equal to the powering things called 746. Well, what if we divide it by 2? 743 divided 373. So let's check if it's work with 373. 1 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 7 plus 3 to the power 3. Well, I guess this does not work. Well, 1 cube is simply 1, 2 to the power 7 is 128, and 3 cube is 27. 128 plus 27, this will be 156, and this is not nice. And 373 is not a powered number. And that 518 thingy, I did it from that video, interesting numbers 501 to 600, that thingy. And if you liked my video about powered numbers, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.